If you're a woman in your 40s or 50s and you're wondering why your energy's crashed, your sleep is rubbish, and your mood swings feel like they're running the show, well, please stay with me for the next few minutes, because what I'm about to share is exactly the truth about perimenopause nobody ever warned me about when I was 45. This isn't the usual hormones just change talk. It's real, raw, and it might just change how you handle this phase for good. I remember at 45, I thought I was just tired or stressed. I tried everything, different diets, expensive supplements, even asked my doctor, who shrugged and said, "It's just aging." Does that sound familiar to you? Maybe you've been dismissed or told to just wait it out. You've spent thousands chasing answers that promise the world but don't fully deliver. You're not crazy or weak. This is what I discovered about perimenopause that nobody told me, but what I discovered when I dug deeper. When we get down to it, it's our body's repair and regeneration system that is shifting as we age. Specifically, this system is made up of our adult stem cells, those tiny repair agents. Their release from our bone marrow is continuous, but it declines, and it's something no one is actually talking about or trained to look for. The foggy brain, the weight that won't shift, the restless nights, they're all pieces of a bigger puzzle. Traditional treatments like hormone replacement therapy or HRT, or any of those generic vitamins, all focus on symptoms, not root causes. They are not getting down to a pretty big elephant in the room. But you and I deserve to understand what's really happening so we can improve the way we look and feel, to be the best version of ourselves right now, so we can quit chasing the next hype. Here's what I learned and what I want women to know now. Instead of just chasing symptoms, we need to support the body's inbuilt repair and regeneration system. It really is that simple. That means focusing on what I refer to as stem cell nutrition, natural compounds from particular blue-green algae that have been shown clinically to actually boost your own circulating adult stem cells. And why would we want to do this? Because remember, they are our repair and regeneration agents. These cells are our body's maintenance crew, fixing damage and renewing tissue. So looking at perimenopause through the lens of stem cells is what will help us restore balance from within, not simply mask symptoms on the surface. You can also look at it like this. It's not about giving your old, dying, damaged perimenopausal cells all those expensive vitamins and treatments, but it's about replacing them with fresh, new, young stem cells that will do a better job at repairing and regenerating your body, so that perimenopause that you hear about does not have to be inevitable. I only recommend what I personally take. Stem cell nutrition was developed by a company called Cellular over 20 years ago. This company harnesses a science-backed approach. So this isn't hype, it's grounded in real science and designed with your needs in mind. No complicated protocols, no unrealistic promises. Now, I started stem cell nutrition from Cellular in my late 40s, the same as when I hit perimenopause. Within a few months, my energy came back in a way I hadn't felt for years. Honestly, my sleep improved naturally and the stubborn weight started to shift without all those crazy fad diets. The hundreds of women I've also worked with share similar stories. Less brain fog, decreased joint pain, and a sense of getting their life back, being a better version of themselves. The natural compounds in stem cell nutrition have been demonstrated to significantly increase our circulating adult stem cells. This release directly supports our body's ability to repair and regenerate itself. You might be asking, how do stem cells repair and regenerate our bodies? Well, this is something even doctors are not trained to know. Increasing circulating stem cells helps to repair our body because these stem cells can become almost any type of cell in our body, including liver, heart, kidney, brain, immune, or nervous system cells. Just do a quick search on the internet and you'll see how stem cells are being used in emerging therapies to help all sorts of conditions. I'll also link to this research and my free guide in the description below so you can see the facts for yourself. No fluff, just real evidence. If you're ready to stop guessing and start understanding what perimenopause is really doing and how to support your body through it, please download my free guide. It's called the Stem Cell Reset. It's full of practical tips and clear next steps to take so you can be in charge of your own health. And if you're not sure or still curious whether this fits you, please reach out. No hype, just honest conversation and tailored advice. My booking link is also in the description. And if you're new here, please subscribe for more science-based practical insights on natural medicine, midlife transformation, and real health beyond all the noise. Subscribing lets YouTube know that you are interested in more of this type of content that's free of the hype and the gimmicks, and also helps others find it too. And maybe drop a comment and tell me, what do your 40s and 50s feel like for you? I read everyone and really appreciate you. So let's make this chapter of your life one of renewal, not of regret or inevitability. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.